Hello, 50 plus people, third inning players, and teenagers. If you are wondering who the teenagers are, so this term teenager has been coined by hum communities who are the pioneers in placement of senior citizens who are retired and who want to work even after 60 or 70 years of age. So I am associated with Hum Communities as an associate consultant, and today I want to discuss about your comfort zone and coming out of that comfort zone. I am going to tell you a small story with which you can understand that how we can move out of comfort zone and how we can achieve more greater heights while not being in our comfort zone. So there was a king who was presented with two small kids, small birds, golden eagle birds, and he gave those birds to the gardener and told him to groom them, to nourish them, and keep them in the royal garden. So after a year, the king thought that let me see what has happened to the golden eagles, and he went to the garden and he asked the gardener, where are the eagles? So he said, sir, one eagle is flying that you can see in the sky. It is flying high and it will come back in the evening. And they both are staying in the same tree, but another eagle is just sitting there. And if I just push him, that eagle to fly, it just jumps from one branch to another and then again comes back to the same branch. So king got worried that why it is happening that one eagle is flying and the other eagle is just sitting on the branch. So he asked his ministers, but they were not able to understand what is the problem. So he announced in the kingdom that anybody who can make this eagle fly will be rewarded with lots and lots of money. Many people came, but nobody could able to move that eagle out of that tree. That eagle just jumped from one branch to another branch and just come back to the same branch and sits there. Now king was worried. So one day a farmer came there. He said, sir, I want to try it and let me see if I could fly your second eagle. So he said, okay, you can try it. So he said, just give me an hour. Nobody will come to the garden and I'll go there, and then you, after an hour, you come and you will see that both eagles will be flying. So after an hour, the king and the ministers came to the garden and they saw that both the eagles were flying high, and they were really amazed. So they asked, what have you done to that eagle? How it was not flying for almost a year and today it's flying? So he said, sir, I have done one thing. I have just cut that branch on which the eagle was sitting. So it was his comfort zone where he used to sit from the since his childhood or since it was very small. So it was at his comfort zone. And when I cut that comfort zone, so he came to know that he can also fly, and he flew along with the another bird which was there, which was flying high. So the moral of the story is that sometimes at our age of 50, 58, or 60 or 65, we find ourselves very comfortable in our house or in our zone where we think that, okay, we have done everything, there is no need to do anything more. So we just start thinking that everything is finished for us, and we go into a comfort zone where we will not have any dreams or any desires or anything like that to achieve anything. So until unless we have got goals, until unless we have got dreams, and until unless we come out of our comfort zone, we will not be able to achieve. So as far as I am concerned, I am at the age of 58, have joined a new job. I am a 50x coach. I am training 50 plus people to be more agile and more active and live their life fully. So if you are also in the same thing and you are in your comfort zone and come to want to come out of your comfort zone, you can just connect with me on YouTube channel or on my LinkedIn or Facebook account, or you can connect with me on Hum Communities, where we are having some workshops to make you come out of the retired zone and be in the rewired zone. So if you are interested, just connect with us and keep watching my videos to be more active and more uh, out of comfort zone, I would say. My motto is never settle. So enjoy your life, be on your toes always, and try to do something which you have not done before, and that is going to give you the results which you have not got before. Okay, bye bye, take care.